to the young ruler, Pharaoh Amenhotep IV.
Greetings to you.
We were worried. What is the matter?
We hope nothing ill-boding has happened.
I had a strange dream. It may be ill-boding. And it may not.
And it may not have an interpretation.
The Pharaoh's dream has an utterly well-boding interpretation.
I have summoned the dream interpreters all the same. They will arrive shortly.
We believe that the Pharaoh's dream was a common nightmare.
Therefore, there's no interpretation.
We cannot interpret nightmares. Tell the truth and admit that you do not know the interpretation. One can easily understand that the dream about wheat ears is like the one about the cows. The 7 fat cows are the 7 green ears, and the thin cows, the withered ones. I have had the same dream in 2 different forms. You cannot avoid interpreting by saying they were nightmares. I want the interpretation of my dream. If you cannot do it, admit it, so I know what to do with you. If it is not interpreted tonight, I will jail each and every one of you.
Take them away!
What are you doing?
Amenhotep, what are you doing? They are the priests of Amon Temple.
Wait a moment, Your Highness. Inarus asks permission to say something.
Leave them!
Well, Inarus, I am listening.
I have a solution to the Pharaoh's problem, Your Highness. The Pharaoh sees in his dream that 7 fat cows are swallowed by 7 thin ones, and 7 green ears of wheat were withered by 7 dry ears.
By the leave of God, I have the explanation.
But you mustn't interpret the dream unless Amenhotep frees you from prison.
God has given me the knowledge to explain such things. It is not the manner of the generous to ask for a reward in return for a good deed.
Inarus, did you bring the interpretation of my dream?
I had told Your Highness that he is a great dream interpreter.
What did he say?
Yuzarsif said, the 7 fat cows and 7 green ears means 7 years of prosperity. And the 7 thin cows and 7 dry ears means 7 years of drought and famine.
Well done. That's it. This interpretation is in exact harmony with my dream. That is it.
I believe in whatever the Hebrew slave says. He is wise.
Do you know him?
Yes. I know many things about him.
Inarus, did the prisoner speak of a solution to prevent the famine?
He did, Your Highness. He said, sow and store in the 7 years of prosperity, so that you may use it in the 7 years of drought and famine.
That is a very good solution. But wheat cannot be kept for 7 years. How can we store it?
Perhaps the prisoner knows what must be done.
It is certain he does. I want to see the Hebrew slave. Bring him to me.